A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. Find and focus on your breath. Visualize yourself standing in front of a long, dark path stretching out before you. Take another deep breath and begin to walk down the path. With each step, feel the tension in your body beginning to dissipate as you focus on the sound of your own breathing, mirroring the rhythm of your steps. As you continue walking along this unknown path, imagine that all of your stress is being left behind with each footstep. Notice how everything around you begins to change as the darkness fades away and a beautiful light appears ahead of you at the end of the path. Feel the warmth radiating from it and take comfort in knowing that whatever lies ahead can only be better than what it was left behind. Breathe in and out. Keep walking until you reach the light and notice how any lingering tension or stress has dissipated, leaving you feeling refreshed and free. Take a few moments to enjoy your newfound sense of inner peace before slowly opening your eyes and returning to reality. Take a deep breath and remember that no matter what challenges life presents, you can always take time out for yourself to find solace in the darkness and seek out the light at the end of the path.